good he is. Oh, he's such a good boy getting his nails done. Yeah.
Your camera makes him look like neon orange. Oh, yes. So he's having his first pedicure. Relax. And Chestnut Benji, and they've done very well. So he'll have his nails done, and then he'll go back and see if he can make his friend.
Yeah, check out those big old feet.
The size of those paws.
Those are some big ones. Yeah. Oh, he's such a good boy. He did good today.
He's good, Mr. Yoshi.
Hey.